over h equals, and how he said you can just delete it all, right? So,
and then since a squared and b squared are the
so
same,
then now we have a equals 2a squared plus 2b squared.
you can replace both with y.
And then you can replace them now with y instead. So it could be a equals 2y squared plus 2y
2y squared.
2y squared. And then now you have y by itself. And then we got rid of h. Does that mean, I don't know, it just doesn't, it works in my head. I got confused.
I got you. I got all y'all. Y'all candid camera.
I got you on candid camera. Could it
But
work?
the thing is like, I don't think the Pythagorean theorem would even apply, because that's if you're looking for an angle.
She said to use that, but I'm not sure what the hell to be.
Did you see that on that specific problem?
Yeah,
I mean, if it's an equilateral triangle.
She wrote this on the board. 8 squared plus 1/2 times y squared equals y squared.
Has she ever led you astray before?
What is that, Gabby, again?
Mm.
What is that?
I don't know. My teacher said to use that. Something about finding something. I don't know.
This one, right? This is your notes?
Yeah.
H squared plus half y squared equals y squared. You just cube the whole thing, it becomes h plus 1/2 y equals y, right?
Can we pay attention?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to flip it to make it simple. See what happens. That's horrible. This teacher is evil.
Calculus is evil.
Yeah, actually,
What's that?
believe it or not, if I was to be stuck with a math, I would pick calculus. Because I hate geometry.
You heard it here.
I really would. I would literally. Oh.
What was that?
You have my word on it now, dude. If I was to be stuck with any math, it could be any math, I would be stuck with calculus.
Tell everyone
Any level of
online.
Calculus. Reason is, then you'll be smarter when you're done with it, right? Instead of having, trigonometry and just completely blowing up your brain trying to figure it out. I hate trigonometry. Hate
Me
it.
too. That's cosine.
Yeah, that's why I got. Look at this. After the third line, I went crazy. I was like plugging in numbers and cosines, and then I got negative numbers, which was.
That's basically all about triangles and stuff. There'll be angles and sides.
You are actually in the
I tried it the algebra way, and I tried it the trigonometry.
Tell everybody online
So you know.
What do I tell everybody?
your opinions. So what you been saying? Just tell them, stay away from math, kids.
Stay away from math.
Well,
Corrupt
if it's
your brain.
class, if
Don't
you're
you
going
do.
into something that has
and
it's usually incorporated in math,
nice.
like
Another thumbs up.
calculus and
That's rude, isn't it, Gabby?
What?
You guys weren't even listening to her, and she was explaining your question.
Hey Gabby, where did she say that to plug in this little number she gave you? Because if you simplify
I
it.
don't know. She said something about using that to find y, but that doesn't really make sense because I tried solving for it and I got y equals y, which means y equals 0 if you move it over.
Okay, I already simplified it, right? So h plus half y in parentheses equals y, right? Because obviously you square the whole thing, it takes away the cubes, right? And then so you try to get rid of h, so you take the minus h from both sides, obviously. So you get half y equals y minus h, right? And then naturally you multiply by 2 to get rid of the half. So times 2. So then you would get y.
Very well. Understood.
2y minus 2h, right? And then you basically just, wait, we still got y though. And then, how can we, wait. You saw that like side?
Oh yeah, dude, I thought it was from over here. Let's see who can outfilm who. You can't be looking. Yeah. It's a battle.
Oh wait, I'm gonna do my multi-shot.
Gabby, what's the alternate way of getting rid of 2's?
Eraser.
2.
Divide by 2.
No, but that'll create another problem. on
Okay.
the other side.
Make it equal to 0.
That was
So
nice.
move everything on one side over so that it equals 0, and then divide by 2.
Where?
Mm,
Oh, look.
I don't think so. Yes, it is.
You can't.
Go back.
If I was to cube the whole thing, like to cube 2 times y, what does that do?
That would